Hello. I want to tell you a story about Alice, a woman I saw a few years back who came to me after having suffered with headaches for 30 years. Can you imagine 30 years? She had taken a lot of Advil. She also struggled with fatigue that made her days miserable. After having missed another 2 days of work because of her headaches and fatigue, a friend suggested she maybe seek another opinion. Having been married to a doctor, Alice assumed that she simply had this physical issue and this was the way it was. It never occurred to her to investigate further. It was out of sheer desperation that she decided to investigate her headaches deeper than she ever had before. Headaches plague so many people, and there are many different types: sinus headaches, tension headaches, migraines with auras, cluster headaches. Not all of them are the same. Some are best treated with medication, sometimes very strong medication. Others are linked to hormonal shifts, weather patterns, stress, diet. The list is long. How do you figure out what causes your headaches? And can you figure out what causes your headaches? I say yes, especially if you're willing to be honest with yourself. I encouraged Alice to start to notice when her headaches occurred, what time of day, after certain events, foods, weather patterns. Alice had never listened to her body before, even though it had been screaming at her through head pain for years. She discovered that she could make choices that were good for her and choices that were not good for her. She learned about the cues that her body was giving her. She took back her power, broke up with Advil, and felt liberated. Here's the takeaway for you. It's important for you to connect to and listen to your own body. I'm not talking about convincing yourself of something. We can all do that. I'm talking about getting really honest with yourself and learning how to listen, learning how to track your symptoms, and learning how to know what is a symptom for you and what is normal. My name is Dr. Angela Lambert. I'm a naturopathic doctor and a classical 5 elements acupuncturist. Over the past 30 years, working with people around their health, I've heard so many stories from women and sometimes men about their frustration with their health care. For some, it is that the doctor doesn't have enough time to talk to them. For others, it's that the doctor doesn't listen when they do have the time. For others, it's that the doctor tells them what the issue is without listening to the patient's entire experience. People feel rushed to a diagnosis and rushed to a treatment. I want to empower you to know how to dig deeper for your help with your own health challenges.